The meme coin market is on fire, and 2024 is shaping up to be the year of playful investments. With Bitcoin rallying and altcoins gaining momentum, meme coins are creating ripples with their unique appeal and vibrant communities. If you've got a touch of FOMO, you're not alone. Thousands are diving into this exciting space every day. Among the buzz, BTFD coin is stealing the show with its explosive pre-sale, while OGs like Dogecoin continue to thrive, and newcomers like Bonk add a refreshing twist. Let's dive into the 3 best new meme coins to invest in right now and see why they're causing such a stir. 1. BTFD coin, the bullish meme coin of 2024. BTFD coin is no ordinary meme coin. It's a movement, a rallying cry for Digens and crypto enthusiasts to buy the dip and make the most of market opportunities. The coin flaunts a baby bull mascot, symbolizing resilience and optimism in the volatile world of crypto. Its pre-sale success is jaw-dropping. Having raised over $4.2 million, it's clear the coin has massive momentum. With its current pre-sale price at $0.00013, early investors are enjoying steep discounts compared to the planned listing price of $0.0006. But there's more. The 90% APY staking reward is a game-changer, offering passive income to long-term holders. Plus, the upcoming Play to Earn (P2E) game, currently in beta, is set to expand its utility and fan base. Add in a thriving bull squad community, and you've got all the ingredients of a meme coin powerhouse. Why did this coin make it to this list? Because it's a pre-sale frenzy, its potential ROI is unmatched, and the buzz around its staking and gaming features is palpable. Don't miss out, this one's a game changer. 2. Dogecoin, the king of meme coins. Dogecoin isn't just the original meme coin, it's a cultural phenomenon. Launched in 2013 as a joke, Dogecoin has defied expectations time and again. Powered by its loyal fanbase and endorsements from figures like Elon Musk, it's become a symbol of the meme coin revolution. The beauty of Dogecoin lies in its simplicity. It doesn't promise complex utilities or cutting-edge tech. It thrives on its vibrant community and accessibility. With a low entry price, Dogecoin remains a favorite for new and seasoned investors alike. While some argue its growth has slowed compared to newer coins, Dogecoin continues to dominate the market. Its proven track record, high liquidity, and global recognition make it a staple in the portfolios of meme coin enthusiasts. Why did this coin make it to this list? It's the OG of meme coins, boosting a community-driven spirit and proven staying power in the crypto world. 3. Bonk, the Shiba Inu of Solana. Bonk burst onto the scene as the first meme coin on the Solana blockchain, bringing with it a wave of excitement. Known as the Shiba Inu of Solana, Bonk leverages Solana's ultra-fast and low-cost transactions, making it an attractive choice for meme coin fans. What makes Bonk unique is its focus on decentralization. The project distributed 50% of its supply to the Solana community, instantly creating a buzz and a loyal following. With its community-first approach and innovative marketing campaigns, Bonk is quickly carving out its space in the meme coin ecosystem. Bonk's ability to capitalize on Solana's robust infrastructure gives it an edge over many Ethereum-based competitors. Add in its growing use cases and active development, and you've got a meme coin that's more than just hype. Why did this coin make it to this list? Its Solana-based model, strong community backing, and innovative distribution strategy make it a standout choice among the best new meme coins to invest in right now.